Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to change the display language in Canva in laptop. What you need to do. But before that, if you find this video is helpful, please subscribe to my channel and give a like. Okay, how to change the display language in Canva in laptop. First just go to Canva and then click in the settings icon next to the bell notification. After that, just scroll down and you see here language, English, US. Click in this arrow and then just scroll down and select the language you are looking for. Or you can just type in the search bar the language you are looking for. For example, Deutsch. And then it's here Deutsch, just click on it. Yeah, and now you can see the language has changed from English to Deutsch. Yeah, this is what you need to do if you want to know how to change the display language in Canva in laptop. I hope this video is helpful. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.